These are the OPR Stock OE Headlights for the 1987 to 1993 Fox Body Mustang. You're going to want to check these out if you're looking for a set of headlights for your Fox body and you want to stick with the stock looks instead of going with a one-piece design, a smoked headlight, or something that gives accent lighting. These stock style headlights have the OE three-piece design, clear lenses, and chrome housing, and they're also the most affordable headlight option for the Fox body. The install is not difficult. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. You can plan on spending about an hour getting these on the car. These are going to be your stock replacement headlights. You don't have anything fancy here, just your normal 3-piece headlights. You can see that these have clear lenses, a chrome housing, and amber corners. There's no extra accent lighting with these headlights, and nothing is really going to stand out. These are your subtle, clean-looking OE-style headlights. Your side pieces have the black plastic on top to blend in with the main headlight weather stripping, and these also have a full 1-year warranty on them too. A couple of other things to note. These headlights do not come with new headlight bulbs. You will need to either transfer over your headlight bulbs from your old headlights or pick up a new set. That's going to be completely up to you. And you also might want to consider picking up a new weather stripping kit too for the headlights, unless your current weather stripping is in good condition. Reinstalling old and torn weather stripping onto a new headlight will take away from the good looks and the improvement of the new headlights for sure. When it comes to price, you can expect to pay about $85 for these headlights. They are currently the most affordable headlight option at this time, but they're your basic stock replacement. You have a ton of options when it comes to headlights for the Fox body. The install for these headlights is easy. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can plan on spending about an hour getting these on the car. We're going to head over to an install bay now and show you how to get these on your own car. Alright guys, so to get the install started, you're going to have to pop your hood, and the stock headlights are held in by just a few nuts, so we're going to be backing those nuts off. We're going to pull the bulbs out of the headlights. We're going to swap them into our new headlights. We're also going to swap over our weather stripping that we have on these headlights, and then we're just going to simply bolt our new 3-piece headlights back into place. So let's get started. Alright guys, so normally you have more than one piece of hardware here. I'm starting with this corner light just because it's right here. We only have one piece on our car, so I'm going to pull this out, and then I'm going to pull the light forward and then remove the bulb. Alright guys, normally in the main headlight housing there are 4 nuts holding it onto place. We only have 2, part of the reason why we're replacing these headlights, so I'm going to undo these 2 nuts right here next. Now we're going to remove the corner light. There are 2 nuts holding this light into place, and then we'll pull out the bulb too, and this side will be all done. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to the next side, and I will say that this corner light has the correct amount of hardware. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the top nut standing up here, and then for the bottom nut, I'm actually going to lay under the car and reach up and grab the bottom nut. Alright, now we just have our final corner light. There are 2 nuts holding this in place. We'll pull out the bulb and then we'll be all done pulling out our stock lights. All right guys, so there are a few things that we have to transfer over from our old headlights to our new headlights. You can see on the back of our new headlights, we don't have our buckets, so we're gonna have to transfer over both our weather stripping, which just is going to slide off. I'll show you that in a second. And we'll have to transfer over our buckets too. So the weather stripping just clips into place. It'll slide off, and that's easy enough. The buckets, on the other hand, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. We have to get these clips out. Once we have the clips out, we can take our flathead screwdriver and pry on the studs that are in here. That's going to release our bucket. Now it's ready to transfer. So now these are just going to slide into place. Now we just need to get our clips in place. Now we have our last clip. With our clips in place, we're just gonna move to the other side. All right, so now we're moving on to the next side. It's gonna be the same thing. We'll take the weather stripping off, we'll pop our clips out, and we'll remove the bucket. The last thing we have to do is slide our weather stripping into place. This is a little bit beat up, so I would recommend, guys, always checking out a new weather stripping kit, because you can see how the old weather stripping kind of takes away the looks of the new headlights, but for our purposes, it'll work just fine. All right guys, now that we have everything transferred over to our new headlights, we're ready to get the new headlights in the car. And I'll say right now that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line each headlight up, I'm gonna get the bulb in place, and then I'm gonna put all 3 headlights in place on each side before I tighten anything down. These can be a little tough because they are the old school 3-piece headlights. It's gonna take a little bit of time and a little bit of wiggling to get these lined up perfectly. So I'd recommend doing that. Leave things loose until you're ready to tighten it all down and everything's lined up perfectly. This is the lineup process. So I had everything sitting in, I had to pull it out a little bit, because what I really like to do is make sure these look even and that everything looks nice in here. So it's gonna take a little bit of patience, a little bit of lining up to make it all look right. Now that I have these lined up pretty decently, I'm actually gonna throw hardware in them right now before they move an inch, just to make sure they stay in this location. All right, so we are gonna use the hardware that came off of our old headlights, and we're just gonna get these bolted back down into place. I'm gonna hand tighten everything for now, and then I'll go back in with wrenches and get everything really snug. You guys don't really have to crank on these. I mean, you want to get them snug, but they don't have to be too tight. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind that you can always check these headlights out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.